What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Droove Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in this 2026 BMW 740i. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 375 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. It has made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the 740i is the entry-level 7 Series, of course. Very nice vehicle. I love all 7 Series. Very luxurious cars. This one has a Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is fantastic. You have beautiful glass controls for your seat adjustments and the iDrive controller in the center. You have iDrive 8 or iDrive 9, I forgot. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's iDrive 8. You have the glass shifter, 360 view camera, very comfortable seats. You also have a panoramic sunroof, and you also have sunshades for the rear seats and the rear glass. You also have paddle shifters on this vehicle too, which is nice. Extended leather dash. Yeah, very nice interior in this car. You also have a very thick steering wheel, which I like. It's the M Sport steering wheel on the 740i. But let's walk around this vehicle and then we'll go for a drive. You have a white exterior, black handles, nice M Sport wheels, and the M Sport has the black grille and black accents. Nice LED taillights, M Sport rear bumper design, black deck lid spoiler as well. Let me open the rear door so we can go take a look at that. There we go. A lot of legroom back here, of course, very luxurious. I'm 6'2" and I can fit back here very comfortably. You also have your climate control buttons over here, which is cool. But yeah, you can just really relax back here and ride in. Whether you're a driver or a passenger, you'll really enjoy this car. You can also charge your device here or stick like a TV mount in there. And you have AC controls back there. Here's the trunk. A lot of room back here, of course, because it is a 7 Series. So yeah, you can fit a lot of stuff back there. I really love executive luxury sedans. It's a shame that the market is so obsessed with SUVs now. You know, luxury sedans are a very small segment now, but you know, just like 15 to 20 years ago, luxury sedans were what everyone wanted. I've always loved executive sedans, and I always will. Change my drive mode. There it is. Sport. Let's go. A little bit of body lean, of course. It is a very big sedan, but nothing too crazy. You have that boost feature as I just demonstrated. You pull the minus pedal to give you some acceleration boost, which is good. I do wish the paddle shifters were not so flimsy though. That is a little bit disappointing. I wish BMW used higher quality paddle shifters, like metal ones, especially at the price point of this car. Like a lot of the newer BMWs have really cheap paddle shifters, especially the X3. Like the full M vehicles have like carbon fiber shift paddles and stuff, which is a lot nicer, but I like metal heavy shift paddles. As you guys know, if you watch my channel often, I'm obsessed with shift paddles, and I always really like high quality ones, especially if they're column mounted. Yeah, the ride is very smooth, very quiet, and very, very cushy, even in the sport mode setting. In the sport mode, you do have increased throttle response and heavier steering for better handling feel and drive feel. Pretty nice steering. It's just so peaceful to drive this car. You can really just relax and feel like a champion driving on the road in this car. The outside world is just muted. You feel so isolated and cool in driving this vehicle. Well, we've now returned to Grubbs Family Dealership, so let's wrap up today's video on this 2026 BMW 740i M Sport. Really nice vehicle right here. I love 7 Series, and this one is no different. Absolutely gorgeous car. Really enjoy driving it. But thank you as always for watching another video, Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of nice luxury vehicles like this one.